Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your ultimate guide to navigating the tech world one tap at a time. Today, we are answering a common question: how to use WhatsApp for beginners. Here is a quick overview of what we will dash through. Step 1. Download WhatsApp. Step 2. Set up WhatsApp. Step 3. Navigate the WhatsApp home screen. Step 4. Send your first message. Step 5. Send multimedia, photos, videos, etc. Step 6. Send voice messages. Step 7. Make calls, voice and video. Step 8. Create groups. Step 9. Post status updates. Step 10. Manage notifications. So let us get started. Step 1. Downloading the app. First things first, if you haven't already installed WhatsApp, let's go ahead and do that. So unlock your phone and open up the Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp in the search bar at the top. It will show up as the first option with a green icon. Just tap on Install. Go ahead and click Open to launch WhatsApp for the first time. Step 2. Setting up WhatsApp. Now that WhatsApp is installed, let's set it up. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions. Just tap Agree and Continue. Next, WhatsApp will ask you for your phone number. Since we are using my phone, this is pretty simple. Just enter your phone number and tap Next. WhatsApp will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the 6-digit code they send you to verify your number. If it doesn't automatically verify, just enter the code manually. Once verified, you'll be prompted to set up your profile. You can add a profile picture, your name, and even a status. You know, something like just vibing or currently avoiding work. Whatever feels right. If you are not feeling it at the moment, you can totally skip it. But hey, personalizing your account is always fun, and it makes you look less like a robot. Unless you're a robot, in which case, carry on. Step 3. Navigating the WhatsApp home screen. Now that you are set up, let us take a quick tour of WhatsApp home screen. Below that, you'll find the Chats tab. This is where all your conversations live. If you're just starting out, you might only have a few chats, but don't worry, that will change quickly. To start a new conversation, just tap on the green chat bubble icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Think of it as the Let's Chat button. It's like opening the door to a world of endless memes, jokes, and the occasional awkward "Hey, what's up?" From there, you'll see a list of all your contacts who are also WhatsApping. Basically, a cool club where the chat never stops. Step 4. Sending your first message. Alright, let's go ahead and send your very first message. From here, you can either search for a contact by their name. Think of it as playing detective, or you can simply scroll through the list to find someone who you think deserves your message today. Once you have found them, just tap on their name, and boom, the conversation opens. Now just type your message in the text box at the bottom. Nothing fancy, just words. Once you're done, tap on the little green arrow. Yep, that is your send button. And off goes your message into the digital abyss. And guess what? It is as simple as that. WhatsApp is perfect for instant communication. Whether you are sending a text, a photo, because who doesn't love a good selfie, or even a voice message, it is like having a chat in real time with zero delays. Except for that one friend who takes forever to reply. We all know that one, don't we? Step 5. Sending multimedia. Speaking of multimedia, let's take a quick look at how to send photos, videos, or even documents. Tap the paperclip icon next to the text box. This will open up a menu with options to send gallery images, audio, documents, location, or even contact. Let's send a photo. Just tap Gallery, select the image you want to send, and then tap the Send button. It is that easy. Step 6. Voice messages. Now let's talk about voice messages. Sometimes, typing out a long message can be a hassle, and that's where voice messages come in. To send a voice message, hold down the microphone icon in the text box. Speak clearly into your phone, and once you are done, release the button. The message will automatically be sent. Easy, right? Step 7. Making calls on WhatsApp. WhatsApp isn't just for texting. It is also great for making calls. You can make both voice and video calls. Let's start with voice calls. To make a voice call, tap on the phone icon at the top right of the screen. WhatsApp will now make the call to your contact, just like a regular phone call. For video calls, tap the camera icon right next to the phone icon. This will open the camera and you will be able to start a video call instantly. Step 8. Creating groups. Next up, let's learn how to create a group. WhatsApp groups are perfect for keeping in touch with your friends, family, or even your colleagues. Because who doesn't want a group chat full of chaos and random memes? To create a group, head back to your chat screen and tap that new chat icon again. You know, the one, the green bubble, the one that makes you feel like you are about to do something exciting. From there, tap on New Group. Now get ready to select the contacts you want to add to your new super exclusive chat. Pick wisely, because once they're in, there's no turning back. After that, hit next. Now comes the fun part, naming your group. You can make it something serious, like work updates, or legendary like the Snack Squad or Memes Masters. Don't forget to add a profile picture, because no group is complete without a funny photo to represent it. Once that is all set, just tap create, and lo and behold, your group is all set. Now you're ready to dive into the endless stream of messages that are about to come your way. Step 9. Status Updates. WhatsApp also has a fan feature called Status Updates. This is similar to Instagram or Facebook Stories, where you can post updates that disappear after 24 hours. To post a status, go to the Status tab and tap My Status. You can either take a picture or video right from the app or choose one from your gallery. Once you have chosen or taken your photo, you can add text, emojis, and even drawings to it before posting. Managing notifications. Now let us take a quick look at managing your notifications. If you are getting overwhelmed with WhatsApp messages, you can customize your notifications for each chat. To do this, go to Settings, Notifications, and you can adjust things like message notifications, group notifications, and sound alerts. And there you have it. You have officially mastered WhatsApp, from setting up your profile to sending messages, creating groups, and even sharing photos, voice notes, and memes. Whether you are calling your best friend or sending your mom a picture of the dog wearing sunglasses, WhatsApp has you covered. If this helped you finally conquer WhatsApp, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Which feature are you most excited to use? Drop your thoughts in the comments and maybe share this with a friend who is still using carrier pigeons to send messages. No judgment. Until next time, keep chatting, keep video calling, and most importantly, keep laughing at those memes. Stay connected with wireless solutions. Bye for now.